Namaskaram guys, what is up? Welcome to another vlog. It is 31 degrees today somehow, even though there is not much sun. I mean, there is sun, but there is also, it's really cloudy. It has been raining in Mumbai on and off and not that heavily, which is why I guess the heat and temperature has gone up. The humidity combined with the heat really does make for a killer combo. But regardless of the heat or the humidity, I think it can be even 90 degrees here in Mumbai, but we are all having garma garam hot chai. And that is just something that I don't think any Mumbaiker can live without. Teju and I are working with the Gay Gays Bombay, and you guys saw the party that happened in the last vlog. So this time we actually are going to be part of the team. We were called to help out with the social media and to basically capture everything that is happening through the event. I have done this before for work related reasons. This would be the first time for Tejas. So I know he's a little nervous, I could tell because of the way he was taking notes yesterday. But that being said, this is what we do naturally, so it shouldn't be anything different. But yeah, let's go check in on Teju. Hi.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. How are we feeling today?
Zonked.
Zonked? You have to feel excited. You have to feel ready. Okay, fine. Come on, Bubu.
I need coffee. Then I will feel excited.
Then only. What coffee do you have?
Black coffee.
Yeah, but what brand?
I forgot.
I forgot.
Because I have two brands and I'm confused which to order now.
Yeah. You ready today to catch the gay gays?
Yes.
All of the gay gays. It sounds like we're catching gay people. No. The event.
Yes. Capture it, not catch it.
Capture, fine.
Catch it.
The event lineup seems to be quite
Crazy and I'm excited.
Let's go. Here's Teju putting on his favorite earring. Teju, what is this earring?
It's chai or a beer cup.
Or a beer cup, huh?
Up to your interpretation.
Yeah. It could be chai in a beer cup also.
Or beer in a chai cup.
I mean, in the morning I was having it in the Heineken ka beer mug only. So there's a little chaos as always as we get ready, and Teju and I are all as always in a bit of a rush. We are planning on actually taking our outfits and getting ready at the event itself at the venue, but then we decided against it because that would just mean carrying extra stuff, carrying extra bags. What chicken curry is this exactly?
Chicken sukka.
Chicken sukka. Oh, okay. I thought she made it like that Malwan style that she does. Okay, so
We
this.
don't have enough ingredients. So.
Oh no. You going broke?
No, we just didn't plan it.
Oh, okay.
We are
After the earring looking really nice. Can you show what the other one is? Vada pav! And if that doesn't scream Mumbai, I don't know what does. Now this is chai, cutting chai or beer, and vada pav on the other side.
Mum.
Oh my god. Aye? What skills?
थोड़ा ग्रेवी जैसे डालते
No.
हैं ट्राई
Teju is already hard at work. He's taking footage of everything. One has to be proud of someone like this. So here we are doing our makeup, and I normally have to be the one to do Tejas's eye makeup because without his specs, he is completely blind and he cannot do it by himself. Oh my god, it looks so nice on you. So we are running around quite a lot today, and we were separated for a good 1 hour. I don't know, I'm assuming. Yeah, and we're reunited now. So we're gonna continue doing our work, and I think by 8 o'clock we should be done. And then it's gonna be a party. So promise you guys, it's gonna be fun. Hi to our one and only, our little gay child. We birthed this little boy. Suraj is here.
I'm so hot that I need to use a...
Suraj is hot and he's also single. Just putting that out there.
Please pimple me out so that I can get somebody.
For the later part of the evening, we had an amazing skit put together by the performing artists.
Look away, don't look at me, or keep looking at me. Look away, don't look at me, or keep looking at me. I'm not lost, I'm held by touch in moments I would like to recall. I am meant to flow. What you hold against me is not a thing of mine, I'm trying to bring. So we are done for the day, finally, and I've forgotten what it's like to be on the execution side of things. I think that I have been a manager right now for so long that I have completely forgotten what it's like to do the standing and do the posting, do the copywriting. Oh my god, that was insane, but it was so much fun. As always, I feel like the Gay parties have always been a super inclusive environment. They have taught us how to be a more authentic version of ourselves, a very unapologetic way of living, and that is something, I guess. Oh wow, just yawn on the vlog. Are you okay? Like, what's good, Tejas? What's good? Thank you guys so much for watching, but the party isn't over yet because we have a part 2 coming, and just please do stay tuned. That one is going to be a little more mellow down, but it is going to be fun nonetheless. See you guys there.